Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr have revolutionized the way we get exposed to information, particularly news. Despite the many desirable features such as search, recommendations, and personalization that social media provide, one criticism about social media is that they help create isolated groups of people who just reinforce their own opinions and ignore or hate others with a different viewpoint. This creates what are called echo chambers, where people are not exposed to conflicting viewpoints. These echo chambers lead to people being isolated in their own bubbles, which indeed leads to a society that is more and more polarized. A polarized society can have intense consequences, some of which we've seen in the recent years, with Brexit and the election of Trump, where propaganda and fake news have played an important role. In this paper, we design algorithms that help burst these bubbles by exposing users to viewpoints from the other side. We model social media discussions around a topic with a graph where nodes are users and an edge indicates a communication between two users. We assume that the topic of discussion is characterized by two conflicting viewpoints. Our approach follows the popular paradigm of influence propagation. We want to select a small number of seed users from each viewpoint that we can convince to spread information about their viewpoint to the other side. This will help us maximize the number of users who are exposed to both viewpoints. Consider the following application. Let's say the two viewpoints are Democrats and Republicans in the US. Let's say there is a central authority such as the government or Facebook, which is interested in disseminating two high quality and thought-provoking op-eds from each viewpoint, which presents the arguments of the other side in a fair and balanced manner. The question we try to answer is, which users should the central authority target to spread and post about these two articles so that people in the network are informed in the most balanced way? Balanced access to information leads to a balanced society where everyone respects the viewpoints of others, which indeed leads to a happy society.